Hi all, this is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So in that last class, I discussed about what are all the five stages and how to collect the data and how to filter the data and how to refine the data. So these are all discussed in the last class. So in this class, I will discuss about what are all the visualization tools we are using. So there are n number of visualization tools. So in our syllabus we using some two to three types of tools. So first and simple tool is Excel sheet. So in this Excel sheet, so this is the very important and a very basic tool we are using nowadays. So this is the Excel sheet. So in this we can use data in a rows and column format, that is structured format. So and we can use some basic charts like a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, scatter plots. So these are all simply derived in our Excel sheets. So we have store n number of datas in that sheet, and we can easily filter the datas what we need, and we have to visual some datas based on which data we have to be extracted from the databases. So in that Excel sheet we select some one or two columns, and we have to be give we in that insert tab we have to give some images like bar chart, pie chart, line chart. So it immediately changes into a graph. So for example, in our students databases, for IIA analysis or some semester analysis, so we use simply Excel sheet. So each class have 50 to 60 students, so we need not go a very large tools like Tableau, Power BI. So simply we use Excel sheet, we can easily derive the data in a image format. So this is a very simple, and most of them more or less many of them uses the Excel sheet for a simple image process. So the next one is Tableau. So absolutely, we last class also we talk about Tableau. So this is a very simple tool. Just we can drag and drop the rows and column value, and we can give the colors also. So the Tableau is an interactive dashboards. The main usage of Tableau is dashboard. So in this dashboard, we can visualize the images like for the particular institution as a bar chart, pie chart, line chart. So these are all the documents, all the images are collaborated in a single dashboard. So we can easily understand, and we can easily compare the data for the previous month or this month. So business analytics also we use the Tableau. So the main aim is, the main objective is just we have to simplify the structured data into a imaging data. So we can already be seen, so 60,000 times faster than we can understand using the images rather than text. So in this text means we can read all the document, then only we have to understand what they need to share with our audience. So but in visual we simply see in the images, and we can and or on 10 percentage only we can not known about the data what we are what the particular developer need to tell. So the tableau is a very large wide process, very simple steps to uh, come out the images. So the data connections also is there. So we connect n number of databases using the Tableau. So we can use either tree map, heat map, tree maps also we use, and drag and drop options and the dashboards we are using. So the Tableau is a very simple tool to visualize the element. So the next one is a Power BI. So Power BI, so the Power BI also a very important role to visualize the element. So this is also a drag and drop information. So the main advantage is we have used most advanced data calculation. So that is we are using some intelligent solutions, that is for example customer report using sentiment analysis. So this is the very important, we have to use a most relevant calculation related to the human mind. So this is the main use of Power BI, and we have used a Python or programming also to visualize the document. So in that Python and or programming, we use a Python coding to visual the documents which we have to be extracted to audience. So today's session is over. We just seen about what are all the tools and what is the usage of the tools which we are using. So in that next class we seen how to represent the data in a particular tool. So thank you.